This is what we call flint. Okay? So this is one of survival tool or survival kit that you need to have in your backpack when you go to jungle. Okay? So this one, ferro rod or flint, or we call it ferro rod, can use to make fire, but not like lighter that you can just spark like that and fire will ignite, right? This one you need to give some effort. Okay? How? Because it just can help you by produce the spark. See?
Oi.
You can just produce the spark. So you still need something to make the spark turn into the fire. Okay? That's why you need to collect dry leaf or dry branch, stick and husk like that. Why? Ambil habuk mudim. Remember the tree that I told you just now? The habuk mudim, the dust one. So this is the habuk, the dust. You can feel it. It really soft, right? Just like a cotton.
What's your name?
Timothy.
You can see it from here. You can.
Habuk mudim. In the coconut dust, like this. And then, you're gonna ignite it like this. See? Easy, right?
Yeah.
Easy to look.
Right?
You try, you're gonna find how hard is it. So, you're gonna sit by your group, by your team.